Hey Ed friends, what's going on? Jeff Becker here, Beyond Academics. So one of the most requested videos and talks that I get falls into the category of stuff that would help a new teacher. So I wanted to create this list, which is non-exhaustive by the way, but even more importantly, I would love for you to share what you think should be on this list. I think that's the most important part about social media, whether you're watching this on like YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or whatever. I want these videos to be a way that connects educators across the world, kind of like a repository where awesome ideas and thoughts are shared. So after the bump video, I'm gonna rapid fire a few things that if I were to sit down with a new teacher, I'd tell them. All right, the first thing that I would tell a new teacher is to focus more on the students than on your own performance. If you followed me for long enough, you've heard me say this in a lot of different ways. If you're hyper-focused on your own performance, kids are gonna sniff that out. So really take your time making sure that you're trying to understand how to add as much value as you can to your kids' lives. And when you make a misstep, because you will, they're gonna show you grace. In other words, the amount of care that you make evident in your class and school, your students will repay you in kind with grace when you mess up. The second thing that I tell a brand new teacher is whatever it is that you let slide at the beginning of the year, be prepared to deal with for the rest of the year. Kids are gonna figure out what they can get away with. And sure, they're gonna get away with like some stuff that you're not gonna know what to do with. But once you really let something slide, it's gonna be really tough to reel that behavior back in. A classic example of this is cell phones, right? If you're at middle or high school, you might think, you know what? I'll be the cool teacher that lets kids use their cell phones when they can and we'll build trust that way. Well, in about a week when you figure out that that was the worst idea that you've ever had, it is going to be dang near impossible to get them to stop doing that. So choose wisely. My third and final tip, give your big personalities responsibilities. This has saved me so many headaches when I learned to empower my alphas in the class. Oftentimes, they'll channel that charisma in a positive way if you set them up for success. Make them the person who runs things down to the office for you, the person who leads the lines, the person who makes sure that chairs are pushed in or that the floors are clean or whatever. Have them call out attendance, I don't know, but keep them empowered. You'll thank me later for that one. Okay, so I know that you have a lot of things going on, so I'll finish the video the way that I started. The power is in the comments below. Drop one and let me know what you would tell a rookie teacher or what you have told a rookie teacher. Teaching can be the worst, and the first few years can be rough as heck, but they don't necessarily have to be. So veteran teachers out there, love your rookies. That's all I got. I'm Jeff Becker, you're awesome, and this is Beyond Academics.